If you're looking for a free online photo collage maker, then this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to show you online free software which is by none other than the Adobe, and it's called Adobe Spark. With the help of this, you can create the videos, you can create the posts and pages online, but you can also create the photo collages with the help of this software, and that too for free. uh, all you need to do is that you need to search for photo collage maker by Adobe Spark, and then you need to click the first link, and then you will be taken to this page which you are seeing right now, and you just need to click this design your free collage now. It will ask you for a sign in. You can sign in with the help of your Google account, you can create an Adobe account, and you can also sign in with the help of your Facebook account also. You will be taken to this screen where you will be asked to select the size of your collage. While you can change this size at any stage of making your collage, but you can select this from here. I'm going to select this extreme right 3:2, that is the landscape, and then I'm going to just click the next. Here what actually you need to do is that you need to click the upload button, and you need to select the photos for which you want to make the collage. Since I'm only showing you as an example, I'm going to select the pictures given freely by the Adobe. Okay, once all these pictures are selected, you just need to click the next button. Make this collage because it is kind of a wizard which will ask you the different questions, or will give you the options at different steps, and you just need to complete those options, and it will automatically create the collage for you. Once the Adobe Spark has created the collage, it will show you the default format which you can change. Right now, as you can see, that it is a very basic collage in which the all pictures are arranged in an organized manner. However, towards the right side you can see that there are variations which you can apply. For example, I am going to apply the first variation, and I'm going to see that how it changes the collage. As you can see that it has changed the overall scheme. Similarly, you can also change uh, the collage based on if you want to make a collage with the default formats. However, you can also rearrange them by increasing or decreasing the size of each image. I'm going to select this as an example, and I'm going to write here. You can change the title. You can edit the title as I have changed it to Travel Memories, and you can adjust the font position. Like here there are a number of fonts available, and you can select any one out of the available fonts. And similarly, you can change the color scheme from here. If I select a color, this is the font color which I can change. It's you can play with these options, and you can change that. Or else you what you can do is that you can uh, go for the default schemes, color schemes of the Adobe Spark. As you can see right now, as I'm changing, it is also changing the colors. So once you are done and you're satisfied, once it looks good for you, and now you want to just download this photo collage, you need to just click this download button, and then you will be presented with three options. One is that you can download it in PNG, JPG, or you can download the PDF. I am going to download in a JPG since I am not planning to take a printout. However, if you are planning to take the printout of this, you should select PNG, in which it will have a better resolution. Just click the start download, and your photo collage will be downloaded on your computer. So that's how you can create a free photo collage online with the help of Adobe Spark. This is and yet another example of a collage which I made. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.